going on, everybody? This is Primetime Breaks 2011 Certified Football Hobby Box Break. Let's get this show in order. Hopefully we pull some good stuff. Let's do this. Alright, good luck to everyone. 10 packs, 4 hits. Hope some good ones. 5 cards per pack. Count them off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I had a box missing a pack recently, so I always want to make sure I count them. Alright, good luck everyone. Let's see what we got. Alright, starting off with, we have a Devon Best, Dolphins, Peyton Hillis, Browns, DJ Williams, Packers, New Generation, serial number 793 of 999. We have a Mark Sanchez, Jets, and a Vernon Davis, 49ers. So, got a serial number to start off. Not too bad for the first pack. Let's see what we got in here. Start off Matt Castle, Chiefs. Jordan Shipley, Bengals. Sidney Rice, Seahawks, mirrored. That's numbered. Yeah, actually that's low number. 9 of 25, so good low number for the Seahawks. Got LaShawn McCoy, Eagles. Sam Bradford, Rams. Pack number 3 here. Alright, I think we got our first hit here, so let's put that to the back. We got to start off with Shard Mendenhall, Steelers. LeGarrette Blount, Bucks. Dwight Freeney, Colts. Steve Smith, Panthers. Baron Batch, Steelers, New Generation. And our hit is a DeMarco Murray patch, numbered 91 of 250. We got our first hit there. It's patch, good rookie. Hopefully has a good year next year. Comes back from the injury. Nice and strong for all my Cowboy fans out there. And it's dummy. Beanie Wells, Cardinals. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Bills. Ahmad Black, Bucks, New Generation, numbered 735 of 999. So it's a serial number for the Bucks. We have Phillip Rivers, Chargers, and Nate Washington, Titans. So let's see here. Got 3 more hits coming out. Let's see, this is one. And Diller. So we start off with Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Oops. Not bad. Michael Turner, Falcons. Cameron Hayward, auto for the Steelers, numbered 11 of 250. So there's our auto right there, actually. That's good. Followed up with Matt Hasselbeck, Titans. And Luis Murphy, Raiders. So we got auto. This pack feels good. Let's see if I'm right. Looks like I am. I love to be right. Alright, start off with the Rams, James Laurinaitis. Followed up with LaDainian Tomlinson, LT, Jets. Mike Goodson, Panthers. Brian Hartline, Dolphins. Colt McCoy, Browns. And our hit is a Chiefs patch. Dwayne Bowe, very nice patch. It's going to be a 3-color patch right there. Dwayne Bowe, numbered 1 of 25. So that's a good patch hit right there for the Chiefs. 1 of 25. That's one of those true eBay 1 of 1s, I guess you could say. People always list those first ones as 1 of 1s, but very nice patch hit right there for the Chiefs. Definitely a nice patch. Congrats to anybody who got the Chiefs on this box. Follow up, Kellen Winslow Jr., Bucks. Jeremy Maclin, Eagles. Tony Milwaukee, Chiefs. Jermaine Gresham, Bengals. Marshawn Lynch, mirrored for the Seahawks. That's number 17 of 250. And we have our insert. Alright, we still got one more hit in one of these packs here. And I don't think it's going to be this one. We have filler. We started off with Jason Snelling, Falcons. Austin Collie, Colts. Certified Potential, another Chiefs. Jonathan Baldwin for the Chiefs, numbered 2 of 999. That is a very low number for that high of a numbered card. Follow that up with Kenny Britt for the Titans, and Mike Wallace, Steelers. It's got some nice low numbered serials. 2 more packs left. 1 more hit. Let's see what we can pull out of this. And this is it. This is going to be that hit. We start off with London Fletcher, Redskins. Mike Tolbert, Chargers. Marquise Colston, Saints. Chad Henne, Dolphins. And Ndamukong Suh, Lions. And we have an insert, or a redemption. So those aren't always good, but freshman fabric card number 280. Let's see who that is on the checklist here. Freshman fabric number 280. Daniel Thomas. So that's a pretty good rookie patch right there for the Dolphins. So that'd be Daniel Thomas of the Dolphins. We'll get that shipped out to whoever that belongs to. Well, you can redeem it. And our final pack. Shame that was the last hit. I hate when boxes end on redemptions. We start off with Deion Branch, Patriots. Tim Tebow, Broncos. Patrick Peterson, New Generation. That is going to be a good DB in the future. Numbered 83 of 999. And we have blank Darren McFadden, Raiders. And our last card, Marshawn Lynch. So, that's that. Let me recap those hits real quick again. We had the insert, Daniel Thomas, Redemption. We have the Dwayne Bowe. Very nice, sick patch right there with 3 hits, 3 colors. That was numbered 1 of 25. So that's a very good hit for the Chiefs. Chiefs may not like Vance on this box. The Cameron Hayward for the Steelers, auto. Numbered 11 of 250. And then the DeMarco Murray patch, rookie, numbered 91 of 250. So I appreciate everybody joining us.